Hello and a warm welcome to everyone joining us today. I'm your host Dalvinder Kaur from lovely Professional University. We are excited to have you with us and look forward to an engaging and insightful session. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into today's topic: Unveiling the Future, Artificial Intelligence and Tools. Before we proceed further, allow me to introduce the experts of the day. Dr. Makul Mahajan, Associate Professor, School of Computer Science and Engineering, Lovely Professional University. With a strong academic background and research experience, his areas of interest include mobile ad hoc networks, wireless sensors, networks, and more. So now I would like to introduce Mr. Aman Bakshi also in this webinar. Welcome, Mr. Aman Bakshi. He is artificial intelligence specialist, the growth initiative leader with a strong background in designing and analyzing business and technical models, proficient in HR management tools like Orange HRM, as well as in application development across Android web, WordPress, and blogs. So now I would like to introduce Mr. Pradeep also in this webinar. Welcome, Mr. Pradeep. Before we proceed further in today's session, I would like to request everyone for any questions you can write in the chat box or in the Q&A box, and same will be addressed from my side in the end of this webinar. Now I'm going to hand over this session to our experts, Mr. Aman Bakshi and Mr. Pardeep, and it would be an absolute delight to listen from them. Over to you both.
Thank you, Ms. Kaur, for the introduction and warm welcome to everyone. The name she said, that is Aman Bakshi. I'm the Growth Initiative Leader and working with the team IBM from last 9 years. I'm into academia from last 13 years. Today, we are diving into something super exciting, that is artificial intelligence, and many of you used to call it AI. But before starting, just wanted to ask with you, what is AI for you? Is it only making the reels? Is it only giving the instructions to the AI with the help of Siri or maybe Google Assistant? Or if we talk about your ChatGPT, or it is something related to real-time problem solving? Because this is very much important. AI is being done with the help of machine learning, deep learning, and many neural networks. But let me give you the exact value of AI in this session. Let's begin with the fact that might just blow your mind with, if I'll say that every 10th company in this world is after artificial intelligence. If we'll talk about AI, from healthcare to the retail, manufacturing to the education, transformation, and transporting with the help of different vehicles, AI is enabled in every sector. Let's have a check in the next slide, that is what exactly AI means to us in terms of robotics. So AI in layman language is a machine who can act, react, adopt, behave like a human being. You can search on Google, you'll get thousands of definitions about the AI. But in terms of AI history, so this is not started 10 years back or a decade back. This started in the year 1943 with the Turing machines and the Turing effect or the Turing test. If I'm talking about AI, you might be heard about a recommendation, but the AI evolves 50 to 70 years back, where we can also have seen the big machines being driven with the help of artificial intelligence. Though you might have heard about the Terminator movie, though you might have heard about the Iron Man movie, these all are the friction based movie, but these days we are also sitting with the machines, and machines are working behalf of us with the help of artificial intelligence. If we talk about the chatbots, we are working these days in every sector of business. We have already given a small chatbot in 1966, as you can see over the screen, that is Eliza. Moreover, that we have already given one supercomputer in the world that is known as Watson. If we talk about AI in different sectors, so you might have heard about AI that is in SaaS. This used to call as the software as a service, and that is around 35%. What about the automation sector? You might have heard about this Audi, BMW, Mercedes, Mahindra, MG, and many more. So many of them are self-driven cars, and many are still coming up with the extra features where you can see the automatic brakes are there, automatic sensors are working behalf of artificial intelligence. Moreover that, the AI security. These days, when we are just replacing the faces, are losing our data. We are losing our data in terms of the security. So AI is also there in the security. Last but not the least, if we talk about the consultancy, these days every company is after artificial intelligence, which can work 24/7. As you also know that the human tendency is somewhere 9 to 10 hours a day, but AI can work 24/7 with the help of just machine learning part. Going ahead with the three uh, types of artificial intelligence, first is the narrow one, where we can see the examples of Alexa, Siri, ChatGPT, where we just give the command and we are getting the result. But what about the robotics that comes in general AI? We have already seen in many of the videos that the car assembly is being done through artificial intelligence robots. These days, a doctor can operate a patient sitting 4 to 5,000 away kilometers away from that location. That is through micro robotics with the help of artificial intelligence. Not only that, these days the baristas at the overseas, they are using artificial intelligence for making and delivering the coffee to the customers. What about the super AI? I have just mentioned one name, that is the Iron Man. We already have seen the movies of Iron Man. The Tony Stark was there 2008 production, but you might have seen in other movies as well, just like Avengers. The Jarvis was invented by Tony Stark, but that was the replica. You will be amazed if I'll say of Watson, which was given by the company that is IBM in 1990s. Now, let's go in depth what is AI consists of. So AI consists of few things like machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, LLM, which we are using right now, the large language models, and with the help of layers, the AI is working. So I'll give you one example of machine learning in layman language, but you will get to know what is the machine learning works here. This is the image classification recognition, where you can see a cat is there, and we have already mentioned with the help of text that we are giving this name to that image, and with the help of other 10 to 15 image, the machine will learn about the structure of that cat, of course the face, the body, the legs, the tail, the nose, and the ears, through which the machine will be able to learn itself, and then it will be giving us the classification. What about the deep learning part? Now, the fact is we are having different objects in every image. Like on the left side, you can see the rectangles are there over the objects, but on the right side, the objects are being highlighted with the colors. So on the left side, we can see the car is there, the human is there, the animal is there, but on the right side we can also see the zebra crossing is there about the vehicle. Then we have the red lights as well. So this is called the classification. With the help of different tools and softwares, we can make these machines to classify, recognize the object. And that is the reason why we are having some smart cameras over the ATM machines, some smart cameras over the airports, and smart cameras over the rooms, that is the classrooms, through which we can also see the performance report of the student. They are laughing, they're chilling, they're reading, they're evolving themselves in the project work or not. They are wearing the tags, that is the ID card, they are wearing specs. So how many males are there, how many females are there, with the help of smart cameras we can capture, we can recognize within seconds. Now let's talk about the industry wise adoption rate. See, finance, yes. Stock marketing, yes. Healthcare centers, yes. E-commerce, let me just give you one of the examples of e-commerce. Mails here, you are not getting the recommendation of the lipsticks until you have the taste or until you have bought it for someone. So here is the catch, like when we are just figuring out or just searching out for any of the detail over the e-commerce, we are getting the recommendation. What about the taste which we have earlier, that is the history. So with the help of history, the AI is working. What about the manufacturing and retail? It's there, but it's under the medium adoption rate. But right now agriculture is growing, but the AI is not too much in agriculture sector as of now. But coming years, it will be in the mid list. And education too, though in India also many of the students, they have created the robots, those who are used to deliver the lecture with the help of the histories, with the help of the booklets, with the help of what they have learned. So these all things are not right now at the low adoption rate, but soon it will be coming in the mid adoption rate. This is the global market size. Right now, if we'll talk about the growing stage of artificial intelligence, soon it will beat every other sector, because it's everywhere. Healthcare, of course, automation, of course. If we talk about the education sector, with the help of chatbots, it is growing. Here's a video. I hope you can see, and
your expert
you
for
can
the day. I'm on Bakshi.
hear
Today we're
that.
diving into something super exciting. Hey, I'm on Bakshi. Today we're diving into something super exciting. Artificial intelligence, or as we all call it, AI from health.
To have this video with the help of other AI avatars over the social media, over different portals. So this is right now very much easy to create with the help of your face, with the help of your captions and the scripts. You can easily make a kind of video like this. So this is with the help of artificial intelligence these days. We can also give any of the background. We can also give any of the AI voice to this video. Also, you can replace your face with my face. Anything is can be done with the help of artificial intelligence. Moving ahead, that is the chatbots. Today you will be also get to know how it is being created and what is the chatbot is all about. We might have heard about this small name over the website when we can see the pop-up can generate it and asking how I can help you. So that is the chatbot, where we have already given the examples, the queries, the addressing to one machine, and with the help of small prompts, we are getting the result, or it's we getting the addresses. So chatbot right now analysis, as you can see, education sector, healthcare center, banking sector, and customer care. Before chatbot, we were receiving the calls from the customer care. But these days, we are not getting that much calls. Why? Because we are getting the responses with the help of customer care. Even in Zomato, Swiggy, Ola, Uber, we are just sharing our questions and getting the answer with the help of chatbots. In education sector, if you are locating any of the city and if you want to just check any of the website within the world of any of the education, you know, institute or university or college, then it is very easy to give you the answers in terms of whatever the questions you have. Like if you want to go for any of the graduation, post graduation, what all courses are available with the university or the college, and then you can get it addressed with the help of chatbots. Healthcare centers these days, when the hospitals are not too much there in the cities, and it's very much important to get to know the the salt of any of the medicine. So in that also the AI chatbots are available. Not only that, in the chemist store, the AI is working in terms of which medicine is getting expired, and then they are giving the chart like this, where you can see that this to be expired or that to be returned to the company. In banking sector, we already have the chatbots, just like PU is there in terms of PNB net banking, and there you can ask any of the question and then you can get it addressed. The EVA is there in HDFC website, and then you can just make yourself very much easy towards the addressing part. So these chatbots are being used in terms of applications, plugins, and consist of natural language processing, text to speech, speech to text. As you can see, the layers are there, and then how it works, the NLP programming is there, then of course the layer terms in the knowledge, CMS is there, the data storage through which the questions are being addressed. Now the best chatbots available in the market, you might have just heard about the education sector, maybe you have seen over the movie stores as well that chatbot is building, and it's giving you their recommendation what is the next movie for you. But in terms of global, that we have the endurance is there. This is for the elders, just like a grandfather and mother, those who are quite alone at the home and they just want someone to have words with them. So for them the endurance is there. The Casper, sorry, that is also for the adult. That is the the human, those who are alone in their life, they can chat with the Casper. What about the Judy? You might have seen this small rabbit in one of the movie of Disney, and that rabbit was solving some of the cases. So every case is available in this Judy chatbot. What about the Marvels? You might have seen many of the movies related to Marvels. That is Avengers is there, the Doctor Strange is there, the Iron Man, Spider-Man, and many more. I can even not give you the names over the dates, but under this small chat bot, you will be able to get hundreds of movies related to Marvels, and within a single query, you can get yourself addressed. What about the Medvet chatbot? In India, we have the pharmacy. It's on very much, the ratio of medicine is very growing, and if you talk about the services, so we are getting the services with the help of chatbots in terms of 20% off, 30% off if you are a new customer, new services being provided to you. So that is being globally valid. That is the MetVat. What about the roof AI? These days we are using 99 acres or maybe magic break, but in terms of global, the AI chatbot is there. That is the roof AI. Going ahead, these days these are chatbots are now being replacing the human. You might have heard about one of the mall that is in Mumbai, with the help of Reliance. Now they are having the screens available, the chatbot is enabled, and there you can figure out what fits you. And if you are having any query related to it, you can just go to that machine, that screen, and just put up your queries, and the addressing part will be there. But not only that, the chatbots are now involved in the HR rounds. See, you might be having your elder brother and sisters, and they are very much frustrated, and they don't want to talk about HR because HR for them is evil. I'm sorry, I'm just giving this name, but for them, I'm just saying HR is overburdened, and the burden on them, that is too much. They just want not only want to absorbing a good candidate for the company, but to make it to the next level also. So the HR part is very much important, and that is why the chatbot is now enabled, so that HR will feel a little relaxed. And with the help of chatbot, the first screening round will be there, and the profile will be sorted down to the openings and to the requirement of the company. So that is why the chatbot is very much important these days. And what about the advantages and the benefits of the chatbot? That is the 24 hours service. See, the human can only work till 9 to 10 hours, and then the next shift will be there, and that will be the double cost to the company. But in terms of chatbots, which is learning very fast and can work 24/7, the cost will be very nominal, sorry. Reduce the cost, obviously. Learning and updating within seconds, can manage endless clients. See, a human can only manage 20, 30, 40, 50 clients in a day, but if we talk about the chatbots, they can manage endless clients within seconds and can speak in different languages as well. Fast to operate, easy to carry or access. So these are some of the industry sectors: the customer care, the marketing, sales, HR, IT, and the facilities are just like supply chain, industry specific chatbots, e-commerce, travel, finance, healthcare, and real estate. So this is about the talking part. So let's have one example, the live example, where you can also see how the chatbot is being created and what else is being there with the help of machine learning. So I'm just taking you towards my next screen. Allow me a minute. I believe that the screen is available here. Yes. So as you might have seen that the chatbots are being created and plugged in over the website, but how it's being done, and what is the welcome note, what about the intents, what about the entities, what about the dialogues. So let's talk about something that is in depth, because this is very much important for the developer part. Now, as you can see over the screen, there's one chat window on the right side where it is asking, that is, hello, I'm a demo customer care virtual assistant to show you the basics. Okay, so what we have done, we have created one small doc bot, that is the doctor bot, where the clinic is there of any of the doctor, and the customers are asking for the appointment. Okay, so I'm just starting with hi or hello. Let's take it hello. Let's make it more realistic. So this is like before 12 o'clock, 12 noon. So it's just giving good morning. Of course, it's morning. So I'm just giving morning. And let's see what will be the answer. So the chart part is giving the beautiful morning hello. So let's just begin with the appointment, because we don't want to waste our time. So I'm just giving the prompt that is called, of course, appointment, and we are getting the result, that is what day would like to in. See, we can go for Saturday also, but why to waste our weekend? So let's go for Monday or Tuesday. Let's make it Monday. And what about the timings? See, now some catches there. We doesn't know the opening and shutting times for the clinic. So I'm just giving some random thought, that is 9 a.m. I believe that you will wake up that time. But unfortunately, it's just showing that the appointments between AM to 5 p.m., right? So what time? So let's go with the 1 p.m. now. Okay, now the machine, it's taking it as between 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., and it's just giving that it's perfect, and let me confirm it. Now I'm just giving yes. Of course, if I have written that the timing, so it's asking for the confirmation, and now it's asking for the phone number to hold the reservation. See, you don't know on which platform I have created this bot. You doesn't know even what are the services I have taken, and from which location I have created this one, correct? If I'm just writing my number here, that is 85570700201, let me see whether it will take or not. No, it will not. See, the chatbot we are working on, that is through the service of Watson, and Watson is a supercomputer by IBM. IBM is the tech giant company, and started in 1911. Till date, it's working and providing the services as a product to the MNCs. So I'm working with Watson, which is a supercomputer. Just you have the Jarvis in your movies. This is also a supercomputer. I have taken that services. I have created one of the chatbot. But US is the location, because if we talk about the IBM is not the Indian business machine, it's an international business machine, and the headquarters is in New York. So what I have done, I have taken the location that is US, and in US, the numbers are not like this. The 10-digit numbers will not work. Yes, it will work, but it's in pattern. So 44433, that is the pattern in US. So that is the reason why it is not taking the number as in 10 digits. But if you want it to just make any modification in this, it's hardly take 10 seconds. So let me start with the seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6. No. Okay, so just within 10 seconds, what we can do, we can make this machine to work on 10-digit number. And how that is possible? You have to just give some of the quick coding that is also the alphabetical or the numeric coding, and that's it. If we'll go with this one, that will work. Else you can see that is 334, that is the pattern of US. And if I just wanted to make it like remove it here also, I can get it done with the help of just small coding, that is, and it is done. So now you can see the bar is having dual color and it's training. So right now it is training, and once it is done, I can also give my number here, and then the reservation will be over. It will take some time because of course it's a machine, and it takes few seconds to update it. Now it is done. It's being from the purple or blue color to the green color. That means the machine has learned. So now if I am just going to give the number, let's see it's working here, or we need to start it from the beginning. 201, that's okay, that's correct. See, it has taken. So within seconds, what we have done, the bot is ready. But if we'll talk about the insight, that is called intents, entities, and dialogues, through which we can make it very much savvy. And if you want to give this, see, this is the welcome note. If you want to give any of the editing part here, that is also being managed within few seconds. So let's keep the changes just like this. I'm just going back. So look, let's discard it, and I'm going to the dialogues, and where I can see the welcome note, the opening note, that is the welcome note. And here, let's clear this one, close this one, and I would like to give my name here. Hello, I am AI specialist, right? Aman Bakshi. Show you the basics. All right, so I have done this. So let's wait for 5 seconds, and let's try it now. All right, so it's not done. Why? Because it's already as in welcome note. So what we have to do, we have to clear this one and see the changes there. So that is how the Watson services are available to make a chatbot. And the coding part is being done with the help of Watson. You have to just help you out with the help of alphabets and the numerical number. And that is an easy task for all of us. So here, the BTech, BCA, MCA, BBA, MBA, anybody can work on. But yes, this is related to a dark bot. You can also make it for any education sector, healthcare centers, or maybe for the banking sectors, or any for the automation sector. It is very easy. Now let's talk about the intent part. Intent means the greetings part. Intents means that what you are looking for, just like the appointments or cancellation part, or maybe you have to raise one ticket, that is called the intent, that is called inputs. And what about the entities? Entities are moreover like the description part, where we are to describe which location you want the appointment to be done, which day, which date, what time, right? So that is the description entities. What about the answers? That is in confirmation, yes or no, that is the entities part. And what about the dialogues? So entities means that is the location part, and we'll talk about the dialogues, that is the output. So we have already discussed about the input and the description part, that is the entities. Now the dialogues, that is the output. So combination of intents and the entities, now we are getting the output in terms of dialogues. So in dialogues we are having the nodes available. So these are the nodes. We have the child node, parent node, and if you want to jump to different node as well, so we have everything available here. See, jump to the provide location and all. So this is also one of the AI tool through which you can make the business. I see many of the students are still working on creating reels, making any editing part with the help of different tools, making it animated. But that is the short goal. If we talk about the solving of real-time case studies, that to be done with the help of deep dive. So once you will deep dive into artificial intelligence, you will get maximum details there. You'll get more and more things to learn on. Not only that, what about the image classification? So right now we'll talk about the image classification part. So we have so many you know tools available in the market, and with the help of that open tools you can make any uh, classification. But if we talk about the employees working in the companies, they are working on the enterprise tools, and that to be figured out with the help of MNCs like IBM. So LPU shook hands with IBM, the tech giant company, and we are providing a kind of program, that is the program for the BTech in artificial intelligence, through which the students can embark their journey in terms of enhancing their knowledge and to get industry ready. So this is it for today. I hope you have received something from our side, and we'll look forward to see maximum count for our program. So thank you. Over to you, Miss Kaur.
Thank you so much, Mr. Aman Bakshi. Can we take the questions now?
Yes, please.
Thank you so much. Thanks for giving me chance to address your questions. Now let's start with first question. Gurpreet is with us. Gurpreet is asking, how is artificial intelligence transforming traditional industries and what tools are leading this revolution?
All right, very good one. The traditional one, the first of all, today we are lack in terms of emotions. Might be you have heard about the news where one of the AI, that is Alexa, abusing cause that family is very much abusive towards each other. So today we are into an era where we are having AI as a baby, and we are to figure out how we can give them the adoption part where we can enhance AI in terms of the skill builds, in terms of business related things. So tools are available, but still we are lagging in terms of emotional intelligence. Soon you will be getting this EI with the help of artificial intelligence, and the traditional part will be there as it is, and we will be marking our journey towards a new platform through which you will be getting enhancement. I hope this question is being answered well.
Thank you so much, Mr. Aman Bakshi. I hope, Gurpreet, you got your answer
Good.
from our
Yeah.
today's expert, Mr. Aman Bakshi. So, Sania Sheikh is with us. Sania, you can ask your question directly to our today's expert, Mr. Aman Bakshi. Yes, Sania. Yes, Sania, are you there? Okay, let me address this question to you. Uh, Sane is asking, do you think cybersecurity will continue to grow even as AI takes over detection and response, or will most
Yeah,
of that
Sanya.
be
Yes.
automated too?
All right. Sanya,
You
first
can
of all,
ask me
every
any question in the chat box. Yes, yes,
yeah,
Mr. Aman.
Sanya,
Please.
every emerging track these days or emerging technology is very much important. If we'll talk about the era that is a cybersecurity one, see, we are leading towards too much hacker zone, and everybody would like to be a hacker rather than AI expert, so that they can make your uh, data and create the business out of it. But the cybersecurity is also very much important these days. AI is growing, and with the help of artificial intelligence tools, they are on both at the same level. But in cybersecurity, AI factor is very much important, because many of the things are not being done with the help of manual. If I'll say that, figure out that whose face is there in that video, you might not even recognize, because that to be done with the help of artificial intelligence. That is the hacking part is there. So cybersecurity is working on the tool with the help of artificial intelligence to get to know that how.
Yes, Mr. Aman Bakshi. Yes, Mr. Aman Bakshi. Yes, can you please unmute yourself, Mr. Aman?
Yeah.
Yes.
So sorry, I
Thank
lost the
you.
connection in between. I was talking about the
Okay, no
cybersecurity and
problem.
the AI. Both technologies are very much important these days. Even the India, they are growing their openings towards cybersecurity, because that is somewhere we are lagging behind. But in overseas, cybersecurity is on the top list. Artificial intelligence are making so much ease for us, but the security part is today also it's on the top list.
Thank you so much. I hope
Sanya.
Sanya, you got your answer. Yeah, Sanya, you got your answer from our today's expert. If you want to ask anything else to Sir, you can directly ask to Sir Sanya.
And Sanya, you should know about the ethical hacking, the gray hat hacking, the green hat hacking, the white hat hacking. So, too many things are under cybersecurity. And if we'll talk about artificial intelligence, then you should also think about going forward towards the ethical one.
Yeah, can we take the next question?
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
Abhinesh is with us. Abhinesh is asking, how can emerging AI tools be leveraged to enhance creativity and productivity in fields such as education, design, and healthcare?
All right, we'll start with the education. You might have seen under the session that in education sector, if we'll talk about any of the institute, any of the college, any of the university, they are placing their business through the websites, and with the help of website, they are just plugging one chatbot. So these chatbots are AI enabled and answering behalf of the human, because we can't work 24/7, and in terms of delivering the questions late overnight, it is very much difficult for the human being. Because if we talk about the youth these days, they just come up with their ideas at 10 p.m., where a professional cannot work. So in that case, the chatbot is very much important. That is the first, that is the education sector. The next is the designing one. See, AI related tools are very much all over the social medias. Even in the Instagram also, you can also give the background image something else. You can also give the AI audio, or you can make yourself as animated one. So AI is everywhere these days. That is the second one. And will you please confirm, Ms. Kaur, about the third one? The third he has asked for?
Yeah, third one is okay, let me see. Third one is healthcare.
Healthcare, of course, very much
Yes.
important. So in healthcare, you might have seen at the time of Corona period, the aims like hospitals, they have enabled some robots to the hospitals to deliver the medicine to the patient. That was voice recognition related. or we can say that is being monitored with the help of artificial intelligence within the Pragati Midan, or we can say in event of education also. We have already seen the AI robots enabled, through which they are just marking their pamphlets to be given to the stalls. But let's back to the question, that is the healthcare centers. The AI micro robotics is being done through which the doctors can operate the patient which are sitting 4 to 5,000 kilometers away from them. Not only that, these eye retina scanning and the operations can be done with the help of AI. Plus, the knee replacement these days are being possible with the help of artificial intelligence. Even if we talk about the transplant of hair, that is being monitored and driven with the help of AI robotics.
Thank you so much, Mr. Aman Bakshi. I hope, Abhinesh, you got your answer from our today's expert. And if anyone have any questions regarding the admissions, they just write on us at admissions@lpu.co.in. And you can do WhatsApp chat with us. Our WhatsApp number is 98525 69000. I'm repeating the number. It's 98525 69000. And once again, thanks to our today's expert, Mr. Aman Bakshi and Mr. Pradeep. As we come to the end of this webinar, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our experts for sharing their valuable insights and expertise with us. Your presence, enthusiasm, and active participation have made this experience truly special. Hopefully, the attendees found this webinar to be valuable and will be able to utilize the information for better decision making regarding admissions. If anyone wants to access this webinar again, they can visit our website, that is lpu.in, or can be accessed on YouTube also. Stay connected with us for future webinars. Until we meet again, with the permission of my seniors, I would be signing off this webinar. Take care and goodbye. Have a great day.
Thank you, Ms. Kaur, and wish you all the best, students, for your journey towards the transforming the education. Thank you.
Brilliant. Thank you.